Hello, how are you doing? We are making this video for you. For you or to you? What is the difference? Yes, there are both prepositions, but it's a complicated which one you have to use, which one is correct. Okay, let's find out when you can use to or when you can use for. Are you ready? So do I. First preposition is to, when we use to. First of all, according to me, I have to say it's just direction. Because about destination, when we talk about the destination, we use to. For example, I am going to the school. You are going to the school. To is school is destination, but for me, to is just for direction, right? I'm going to the school. The second one is when we talk about the time. What time is it? It's 4:45. It's still direction according to me because the time's going to the 5 o'clock, right? Yes, when we talk about the time, we use to, 4:45 or 4, what you want to say it is okay. And distance, when we talk about a distance, we also use to, but still for me it's just direction. But let me explain it. Distance, it's approximately 3 kilometers from my home to my school. The distance is 3 kilometers approximately, but you are still talking about direction to my school. There is 2 drinks, you are in a restaurant, and there is just 2 drinks, tea and coffee, and the waiter asks you, what would you like to drink, tea or coffee? And you can say, I prefer coffee to tea. I prefer coffee to tea. Okay, when you compare something, you can use to. I prefer football to basketball. Okay, and then what we can use, when we're giving something to somebody, you can use to. I will give these books to my sister. You can use to. And the last one is a reason. This is important because also preposition for you can use for reason, and to, preposition to you can use for reason. What is the difference? Listen carefully. If you want to use to, it must be come before verb. Okay? To has to become before verbs. Let's give an example. I stopped the car to call you. To call you. I stopped the car. What is the reason? To call you. Call is a verb. Don't forget that. Okay, now when we are using for, let's learn it. Let's find out. Okay, for benefits. Okay, what is good for you? For example, exercises is good for my health. Exercises are good for my health. Okay, benefit. And then we can use period of time. Let's give an example. I have been waiting you for 3 hours. 3 hours is a period of time, and we have to use preposition for. I have been waiting you for 3 hours. Okay. And after that, we schedule. When you're making an appointment, you can use preposition for. Okay? Let's give an example. Oh, I made an appointment for May 3. I made an appointment for May 3. Okay. Doing something to help someone. When we try to help someone, we can use preposition for. So, let's give an example. I can carry these books for you. I can carry this book for you. And reason. Do you remember reason? Yes. When we use to, it must become before verbs. But for, it must become before noun. Okay? Do you remember the sentence? I've stopped the car to call you. Now we will use for. Now we will use preposition for. Let's do it. I've stopped the car for you. Not to call, for you. I've stopped the car for you. And for function, we can use also preposition for. Let's give an example for you. A large is a big spoon. Use it for serving soup. A large is a big spoon, right? Yes. And what is for? Is use it for serving soup. Okay? Don't forget it. Let's give the last example. What is the difference? Preposition to and for. We made this video for you. For preposition for you. Okay? And then we made this video to teach you something. Okay? I am sure you learn it. You find what are the differences, and now you will use correctly. So don't forget to subscribe us. Okay? Bye bye. Take care of yourself. See you soon.